more socially accepting now.
Yeah.
So we're going to take the temperature of the material of the footer that her hand's on, 75 degrees, and also the actual Technogel layer. The temperature doesn't change, and that's the point. Is it's not the actual gel. We don't care about that temperature. We care about your temperature of your body. So now go ahead and take your hands up. Go ahead and hold them up. So about 88 degrees, about 86. So we don't care about, hold on, there we go. Let me turn it off real quick. So about 88 and about 2 degree difference. All right, you got that. Very subtle, and we only want to find about a 1 to 2 degree difference. If 10 degrees, you're going to be dead. And other brands that will claim 10 degree difference doesn't work. But if you do this on your arm, your body, you'll see a 1 to 2 degree variation.
And you can feel that when you're touching it. And actually, scientifically, in order for us to enter our first stage of sleep at night and start the process, our brains actually have to drop 2 degrees. Now, have you ever had a night when you're hot all night, right, where you're able to fall asleep? It's because you can't drop that temperature. Your brain is able to relax and recover. This allows you to quickly get into your first stage of sleep to start sleeping quicker. So it really helps you get into that entry level.
That should have you stay longer, but the longer you lay on this, we can actually just do it to your body after laying on this as well. But yeah, 1 to 2 degrees
It's chilly.
difference.